It's me, Leslie. Good morning, everyone. I will be running errands
Again?
and will be going to the banks. So join me.
Drive
Let's
safe.
go.
I'm actually heading to another store. I'm sorry you will not able to see where I did my banking. It's not allowed. It's not really a bank, but it's a drugstore. I was allowed at Watson. I was allowed at Healthy Option. But in that drugstore, you're not allowed to do vlog inside. They're pretty strict about it. I don't know why. I don't know what's the reason, but that's okay. I'll just go to one of my favorite shops. I actually got my meds already. It's prescribed by a pulmonologist this time. I had an online consult last night at 8:30. Now, this is where I'm going next. Sorry. So let's see, let's go. I think the guard is not here. So, I'm opening the door by myself. Let's see what to get. I think I have to wait a little while. This is a mini baguette. I think I'll get 2 of these. 2 of the mini baguette. Freeze to prolong shelf life. It says freeze to prolong shelf life. That or this one? This one is, I think I'll get this. I'll get 2 of this. What else? I know they love chocolates and they're actually the one finishing it. I'll get 1 of this and 1 of this. I'll check if they have the 4th one that I like. It was once here in this shelf. So I guess they don't have it not right now. Hello, I actually met 2 new subscribers of my YouTube channel. We're actually at Santi's and they're having their giveaway wrap and I bought some items. They actually subscribe in my channel. Thank you very much. Your name?
Krishna.
Hi Krishna. Aleli. Aleli. Hi Aleli. So I'm not gonna shout out because they said their name already. So hello and thank you very much. Please follow my videos. Thank you. So right now, I'm cashing out. And I will be out of this place soon. So I'll see you again. Bye for now.